Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and interesting statistics coming out of a look at the market share of the browsers, but a different style of look at the market shares. A company that checks two different metrics online has taken the market share numbers and converted them into how many people, how many users are using each browser, which is kind of interesting. And it came to these numbers, which is kind of interesting. So the obvious winner of usage is Google Chrome, and they have in their metric conversion said that 3,378,967,819 users. So 3.4 billion users using Chrome. Of course, that's on every platform. Means it's on mobile, so like, your smartphone, a tablet, and on PCs, which doesn't surprise me. Google Chrome is the dominant platform everywhere. Safari is second with a lot of users, 1 billion users. That's pretty good. Of course, Safari does not exist for PCs anymore, so that means that it is mostly, the majority of this is, iPhones, iPads, and Mac computers, which combined doesn't surprise me that there's that many users. Especially the iPads and iPhones, are very popular, so they add a lot to the number and add the Mac computers in the end. 1 billion users. Safari, second most popular browser in the world. Third place, they measured Edge usage at 212.7 million devices, which is mostly computers, but there's probably a little bit of mobile stuff in there, because you could have Edge for Android, for example, so it's not impossible that you might be using Edge. For Android, I am, actually, because it synchronizes with the Edge browser I use on the PC, and I get all my, the same info. So third place at 212.7 million. That's pretty good. Firefox, number 4 at 180 million users. Samsung Internet. This shows the popularity of Samsung TVs that might have the browser, and of Samsung phones and tablets that also have the Samsung Internet browser. 150 million. And last in this list, number 6, Opera, just above 100 million at 108.7 million users. So these are interesting numbers. And it's interesting to have these numbers, not in percentage, but in amount of people or amount of users probably using it, monthly or basically using the browsers, which is kind of interesting. Of course, Google Chrome, very far ahead. That's going to stay dominant probably for a long, long time. But definitely interesting to see these numbers in user numbers rather than percentage. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.